So you have your color that you want to add as a border to your blanket. I use the hand crochet method, which is working with two loops at the same time. So first you want to identify these two parts of the blanket, which is like the cast on, the cast off, then the sides. There is always two parts. So you want to identify that. There's the first one, there's another one. We're going to be going in between. We're going to be going inside the loops. Oh, yeah, we're going to be going inside. So always leave a tail because you're going to tie it off when you come back around. And we're going through the first one and going through the second one. So you have two loops. So you put them together and knit. So every time you're walking, making a border, you can have two loops at the same time. I like this better because it kind of covers the entire blanket, the entire edge of the blanket. See how that's looking? So you're going to be going through each and every one of the stitches until you go all the way around. It's important for you not to make this to be too tight so the blanket doesn't look funny. Shouldn't be too tight, it shouldn't be too loose either. Just okay. So see how it's looking? It's just coming out nicely and it's covering the entire edge of the blanket to make that border around. So I'm going to show another method that you can use to do this. Oh, should you not want it to go around all of them? There's another way you can do it. You can just make it one, like how you cast off. You're just, it's in one time. You're not working with two loops at the same time. You're just working with one. You're going to see the difference. Just like how you cast off, that's another method you can use to add a border. But I don't like this one because it doesn't go around the entire blanket. It just goes on top of one side. It doesn't go around the entire blanket. Or the entire, it doesn't go around the entire edge of the blanket, which is why I personally, I don't like this type of border, but some people might prefer it to the other one. So you're just working with one loop at a time. So you just cross it over. I'm gonna be making a few more. But the difference can really show. So see, this is just on one side. It's not going over the entire edge of the blanket. It's just going on one side of the blanket. So I prefer the other method, which is like hand crochet method. This is the hand knitting method, which is like almost how we knit the chunky blankets. Like you're casting off, basically. You just cast off again, but now you're doing it round the entire blanket to give it a border. It gives a different look to the blanket, but that's how the back is looking. Unlike the other one, the first method I did, it goes over the entire edge of the blanket, which is the one I prefer to use. So that's the two ways you can add a border to the blanket. So now I've gone round. See how pretty that looks? I've gone round the entire edges of the blankets to add the border. And I'm going to show you how I finish it up and connect both of them together. So we're almost at the end. Just have like two more to go. So remember, when you get to the end, each end corners have two stitches in them so they can really cover very nicely. That way it's covering properly. So now we still have our tail. You're going to go on inside this first one that we made to connect it together. So I'm going to cut it off here. So you have that. This one, we put it right through here. Just put it inside to get it out on this side, okay? So now you have it on the back, and you're going to make a knot. You want to make double. I always like to double it. Better safe than sorry. So double the knots, and then you can cut it off really close so they're not that visible. And there you have it, really looking nice and pretty. See? That's how it looks at the back, and that's the front.